Ready, set, go.
No!
Oh, we can learn.
Okay, it's ready.
We're going?
Yeah.
This is a retarded video. Don't
Grandma
even put
has huge spoons at her house.
Oh, I like spoons!
Yeah, well, wait till
I got that. I didn't say it. Oh, I like smooth.
Ah! Spoon!
Hit him, real quick.
Night, night, Tyler. Night, night. Night, night. Don't break the couch.
Don't break the couch, but don't strangle Tyler either. No, don't break the couch.
You want this other tablecloth on?
I think he can't breathe.
Don't break the couch. Tyler might be dead. No! Don't break the couch.
Aiden!
What?
Please.
Come on, let's settle down. This isn't the right way on here.
Where'd he hit you, Tyler?
Huh?
Where'd he hit you, Tyler?
Right there.
Right, Tyler, where'd he hit you?
How about I hit you, Tyler?
Right here.